and cheat codes with the grouping and along with multiplication. Let me share VS Code. So create a new file. Now I can save this file as, okay, grouping and multiply with HTML cheat codes using Visual Studio. I can save this file here. Okay, let me create a shortcut here for this. So I create a skeleton. Now create a comments here using control question mark. So here first thing is a grouping. I'll using this grouping here. So next we have like a multiplication. Here I need to create one header and footer, and in header and footer in middle I need to place some text here. In general, you need to create a header. We need to write here and header tag. So inside of we can write here UL and LI, all this. Okay. Instead of taking this, we can write here a cheat code here. So how to write the cheat code? So if you want to create this one, you can place in now. Okay, parenthesis. So here in header inside of I need an UL tag. I need an LI. Okay, so in this LI, I need a 4 items here multiplied by 4. This means I need 4 LI items and along with an anchor tag here. Okay, so after that, okay, so I need one div. After that, I need one div. Inside of div, I need to place one paragraph. Okay, so you can place here some footer. So inside of footer, I need a P and click on this enter. So I can create a grouping here. Now, so inside of here, we can write some text. Okay, so here you can write home about service. Okay, and contact. So for this div, okay, we can write here. See, this footer will be placed inside of this one here. Okay, so if you want, just remove this. So after that, I'll create this one now div here. So we'll write lorem 7. Okay, so like this we can create a grouping here for multiplication. So I need to create one div here. So inside of div I need to create one UL tag. Okay, list item. Okay, divided 5. Okay, you can click on this enter here so that you can place here a multiplication. Okay, so this is one shortcut for this.